Once upon a time, in a quiet village nestled among rolling hills, there lived a wise Zen master named Koji. He was known throughout the land for his profound wisdom and his ability to impart valuable life lessons through simple, everyday experiences. One sunny morning, a curious traveler arrived at Koji's humble abode seeking enlightenment. The traveler had heard stories of Koji's wisdom and wished to learn from him. Koji welcomed the traveler with a warm smile and invited him inside. As they sat down on the tatami mat, Koji prepared a pot of green tea and 2 delicate cups. He carefully poured tea into the traveler's cup until it was nearly overflowing, and then he continued pouring, causing the tea to spill over the sides and onto the table. The traveler, perplexed by this seemingly careless act, exclaimed, "Master Koji, you are spilling tea all over the table." Koji calmly looked at the traveler and said, "Yes, I see that. Just like your mind, your cup is already full. How can you expect to receive wisdom when you are filled with preconceived notions and beliefs?" The traveler, taken aback, pondered Koji's words. He realized that his mind was indeed cluttered with thoughts, opinions, and judgments, much like the overflowing cup of tea. He took a deep breath, cleared his mind, and asked, "Master, what should I do to empty my cup and receive wisdom?" Koji nodded in approval and replied, "To empty your cup, you must first let go of what you think you know. Approach each moment with a beginner's mind, as if you are seeing the world for the first time. Be open to new ideas and experiences, and be willing to unlearn and relearn. Only then will you be receptive to true wisdom." The traveler thanked Koji for his invaluable lesson and stayed with him for many months, learning the ways of Zen. Over time, he gradually emptied his cup and discovered the profound beauty in simplicity, and the depth of understanding that comes from an open and uncluttered mind. As the seasons changed, the traveler left Koji's village, carrying not just the memory of the empty cup but also the wisdom that had filled it. He continued his journey through life, embracing each moment with a beginner's mind, forever grateful for the guidance of the wise Zen master who had taught him that true wisdom could only be found in an empty cup.